Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Double Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z6773A. 58,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, Brownstone metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. 6.5-foot box. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Backup camera for additional safety. And heavy-duty trailering package. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, large with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Otherwise, up and out of the way for a middle passenger. Lots of storage space in the glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6773A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.